In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a Wix site. If you want to take your website offline without deleting it completely, Wix makes that process very simple. Unpublishing your site means it will no longer be visible to visitors on the web, but your work inside the editor and your site content will still remain in your account. This is useful if you're making updates, redesigning your website, or if you simply don't want the site to be publicly available anymore. To get started, go to the main dashboard of your site. This is the area where you manage your website and access all of the main tools and settings connected to it. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the sidebar menu, which contains different options for managing your site. From that left sidebar, click on Settings. This will open the section where Wix keeps your site's general configuration options. After you enter Settings, find Website Settings. This is the specific area you need because it contains the main controls related to your site's visibility and overall setup. When you're inside Website Settings, look toward the top of the page. There you should see the Unpublish button. Once you find it, click it to unpublish your site. That's it. After you do this, your Wix website will no longer be live for visitors to access online. Before you click the button, it's a good idea to make sure you're ready for your site to go offline, especially if the site is currently being used by customers, clients, or visitors. Unpublishing does not remove your site permanently, so you can still come back later and publish it again whenever you're ready. If you don't immediately see the option, just make sure you're in the correct site dashboard and inside the website settings section, since that's where Wix places this control. Taking a moment to double-check your location can save time and help avoid confusion. So again, the process is simple. Open your site's main dashboard, click Settings in the left sidebar, go to Website Settings, and then click Unpublish at the top. Once that's done, your site will be taken offline, and that's all you need to do to unpublish a Wix site.